As per the census of 2011, the literacy rate of India is answer is A 74.04%. Indian festival Dussehra is a famous celebration that takes place at which of the following? Answer is A Mysore Palace. In cricket, if the umpire extends both hands horizontally, it means answer is D white ball. The original constitution of India was handwritten in English by answer is B Prem Bihari Naren Raizada. Dash are the amphibians of the plant kingdoms. Answer is D Bryophyta. Who among the following is an award-winning folk dancer from Arunachal Pradesh? Answer is C. Sang Jangmu. Which of the following state is the largest producer of lignite coal in India? Answer is C. Tamil Nadu. In which year was the first railway line constructed in India? Answer is A. 1853. The Birsa Munda International Hockey Stadium, the largest hockey stadium in the country, is situated in? Answer is D. Rurkela, Odisha. Which period in India is described as plan holiday? Answer is B. 1966 to 1969. Lahu is the dance form of which state? Answer is C. Meghalaya. What is the name of the two moons that orbit around Mars? Answer is A. Phobos and Deimos. Who became the first Vice Chancellor of Jawaharlal Nehru University in 1969? Answer is B. G. Parthasarathi. According to Census of India 2011, which state in India has the lowest literacy rate? Answer is C. Bihar. Who issues the rupees 10 notes in India? Answer is A. Reserve Bank of India. The idea of concurrent lists in the Indian Constitution was taken from? Answer is B. Australia. Which of the following cell division is known as reduction division? Answer is B. Meiosis. Which of the following weightlifter won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year award in 2022? Answer is C. Mirabai Chanu. Which of the following is mentioned in Article 39A of the Indian Constitution? Answer is B. To promote equal justice and to provide free legal aid. Pongal is a festival of which state? Answer is B. Tamil Nadu. The cropping season between Rabi and Kharif is called dash. Answer is C. Zaid. In which of the following years was Muslim League founded? Answer is D. 1906. Chromosomes are made up of? Answer is D. Protein and DNA. Which of the following states is the largest producer of fertilizer? Answer is B. Gujarat. Which of the following lakes is the longest in India? Answer is A. Vembanad Lake. On which river is the famous Majuli Island situated? Answer is C. Brahmaputra. New Delhi is the headquarter of which railway zone? Answer is D. Northern Railway Zone. The glide technique is used in which track and field event? Answer is C. Shot put. The division of cytoplasm is known as? Answer is D. Cytokinesis. According to Census of India 2011, the top 3 most populated states are? Answer is C. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Bihar.